Last video, we broke down authorized users and how using your inner circle beats paying strangers or opening secured cards that stamp the start date on your profile. Now, we're going deeper today. We're going to talk about where to get legit primary trade lines that really report to the bureaus. And then, I'm introducing you to something major zombie debt. Not the kind you run from, the kind you buy. Because once you understand how it works, you can flip it just like real estate. Section 1. Building real primary trade lines. Before you even think about buying debt, you need your own foundation solid your personal credit. These are the top legit primaries that actually report to all three bureaus. Self.Inc. Great for building installment history. Kickoff gives you a free revolving line. Credit Strong builds installment plus savings at the same time. Grain Extra. Grow credit, debit card style lines that still report monthly. 2 to 3 of these, reporting consistently gives you age, payment history, and utilization control. The foundation of real leverage. Section 2. What zombie debt really is. Zombie debt is charged off debt old accounts that banks already wrote off and sold for pennies on the dollar. But here's the twist. That same paper gets resold to debt buyers and collectors who flip it for profit. In other words, while most people are hiding from zombie debt, we're learning how to own it. Section 3. Understanding the play. When you buy zombie debt, you're basically purchasing paper, a list of accounts, balances, and customer info that gives you the legal right to collect or resell it. The key is buying the right portfolios, clean paper, with verified documentation and within statute. We'll talk about exactly how to find those, how to verify them, and how to structure the deal so you can scale without risk. So, today, you learned where to grab real primary trade lines to build your personal foundation, and you just got a glimpse into the next level, owning zombie debt instead of running from it. In the next video, we're breaking down the blueprint, how to actually buy these portfolios, verify the paperwork, and flip them for profit. Stay tuned, stay locked in, and remember, this is Wealth Hacks 360, where knowledge turns into leverage. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the next drop, because it's about to get real.